Yeah, it's working. What do you recommend me to do?
Buy the shield.
By what?
Shield.
What shield? What do you mean? It's on video. You're on base.
Whatever you say right
You're
now.
live because it's gonna say
You're
this is
on
the guy that
Memorex.
runs the computer shop, GMTI. So now we're doing video on. We are doing video with a droid. With the droid. I guess it's working.
Either we have light and a power supply.
Good. Oh wow, look at that, Linda. Look. Light and power. Look at that. I think you get video over there. Here, get. It's like you get it. Brian's supercomputer. Hey, get here.
Wow, Brian.
That nice flat one.
That's amazing.
Yeah, looks good. It looks better. Oh, so he's got this. By the last thing.